Ready to turn your passion for film into a stunning online presence? Let's dive into creating your very own movie website using Wix, a platform that's perfect for showcasing your cinematic creations. First, head over to Wix and sign up for an account. Once you're in, choose a template that resonates with your movie's aesthetic. Wix offers a variety of templates designed specifically for filmmakers and portfolios, so take your time to explore the options. Now, let's customize your template. Start by editing the header with your movie's title and a captivating tagline. Ensure your header image reflects the tone and style of your film. Next up, let's embed your movie trailer or a short film. Wix makes it super easy to add videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply click on the icon, select video, and paste your video's URL. Create a dedicated filmography section to showcase your project's eye-catching movie posters or stills, along with brief synopsis and behind-the-scenes insights. This section is your digital film reel. Don't forget to connect your social media accounts. Wix allows you to seamlessly integrate your Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook profiles, making it easy for visitors to follow your work and stay updated on your latest projects. Optimize your website for search engines by adding relevant keywords and descriptions. This will help potential viewers discover your movie when searching online. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit that publish button. Congratulations! You now have a professional movie website to share your cinematic vision with the world. Now go out there and create a website as captivating as your movies. Don't forget to subscribe for more filmmaking tips and Wix tutorials.